Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to Excel XML 2003. Open your PDF file and select Tools option. Now select an Export PDF option and select a spreadsheet and check for this XML Spreadsheet 2003. Click this setting option. Here you can say create worksheet for each table, create worksheet for each page, and also you can create single document. This is recognized text you can see here, and also you can see this decimal and thousand of separators. You can add here custom file title and simply select OK, and when you select export, so your save file for a destination, and also you can rename it and save. Wait for few seconds and save this. Your Excel XML 2000 now created.